People are calling this skincare serum a miracle, but others are calling it a scam. So I investigated Reunoa Serum, and what I found is honestly suspicious. The brand claims their serum repairs thin skin, fades bruises fast, and strengthens aging skin using ingredients like Arnica, vitamin K, and ceramides. And yeah, the before and after photos look impressive, but here's the problem. The website is extremely new. Scam detection sites gave it very low trust scores, and reviewers flagged multiple red flags, including hidden ownership details and the fact that almost all reviews are hosted on their own website. That doesn't automatically mean it's fake, but it does mean you should be careful before spending your money. Now, to be fair, the ingredients themselves are real skincare ingredients. Arnica and vitamin K are commonly used for bruising and skin recovery, so the product could work for some people. But right now, there's barely any verified third-party testing or trusted long-term customer feedback. So here's the truth. Reunoa might be legit, or it might just be another heavily marketed skincare brand using emotional ads to go viral. If you do buy it, use a protected payment method and avoid any hidden subscription traps, because in skincare, flashy marketing does not always mean real results. Follow for more brutally honest product reviews before you waste your money online.